enjoying the short performance. Sit, be entertained and enjoy. Thank you.
We called it the Nasarawa State Festival of Peace. A festival that dances with joy, yet whispers questions we cannot ignore. What does peace truly mean? Is it the silence of a graveyard, still and cold? Is it merely the absence of conflict? A pause between storms? Or is it something more? Something alive? Something we can nurture? Something we can create together? Peace is not given, it is made, and it begins with us. Then, the performance began. They came from near and far. The Yegon, Mada, the Legacy kids, each carrying their own story, their own rhythms. Their movements spoke louder than words. Their songs carried messages of peace, love, and hope. Somewhere between the drums and laughter, I began to understand peace is not just the absence of war. It is the presence of understanding. It is when our rhythms blend instead of collide, when children dance freely, when cultures meet with smiles instead of fear. By the end, I realized peace is not a word, it is a rhythm we all share, a bridge built by every beat, every step, every smile. Thank you.
I hope to see you at the next cultural festival happening next year. You all should be part of it. Thank you.